Kasalelia main ko o kapag nga meron sa child coach pwede sa pul malimbag may nananlap to na child maur lalatoram watch. Evangelist chon tatawagan kauna bata Global Ministries o bilpausawa at kapag meron doon mauran umayl ko Rusya. Nanwen doon pe what chapter may right chon school doon ang inekleman na kauna bilin na nuya tatangki arail maur ni itipak ni lalapwatch o pilatamen papakawatch. Rakin school o murin school rabil kin kalok itoy wasakan na anane o rabil chapiatar tatokan nansa when kak sawasa pain supply anan and morning when kak sawasa tatokan kauno nanwen tonpe nan parwatch TTS 2024 Mia Center Payo May Bonpe, Wichita, Maui o Cincinnati. Pilkapachayang online PTS may arapan at kulpana. Choice school sang Nanewew State, choice school pilsang nan Momotsukan. O pilkapachayang leadership PTS. Choice school koros mi meniponang en me apuki. Nan Matthew Riesak Walu, irachikichikisak Tuaw, Nel Riesak. Mawia Kairoid and ministry watch o kamelele na bilmumutso chikan na andumongiyong kachailan kosinanta ni mo na yung to e chamach. Waway masano when kakilen aramas koros.
Greetings everybody. As I part of the mission to do the outreach in some of the state here in mainland, as I visit each every fellowship, every evening I teach them with the Word of God. And daytime, I do the house to house, knocking at the door, and just share the Word of God. As I doing the outreach and meet the people, they pour out their heart to me, what they have been facing, every struggle they face. Our job is just to plant the seed. God will do the change of the life of the people. The harvest is ready. And Jesus said the workers are few. To pray for the workers.